Collaborative working between the pharmaceutical industry, health professionals and organizations, and patients' organizations has played a vital role in the research and development of life-saving medicines and their use in clinical practice. This long-standing, well-regulated relationship is based on a common goal: improving the lives of patients through advances in treatment and patient care. Its impact has been significant. Take HIV, seen as a death sentence in the 1980s and now viewed as a chronic condition that people manage and live with. Moreover, since the 1990s, we've seen death rates from cancer fall by 20%. The pharmaceutical industry works closely with the healthcare community across a broad range of activities, such as shaping the future of clinical research, designing and running clinical trials, sharing best clinical practice, raising the awareness of diseases from prevention to diagnosis and treatment, providing donations and grants for projects related to healthcare, research or education, and delivering patient support programs. Health professionals may deliver presentations to their peers on the latest developments in treatments or clinical practice. They may also attend industry advisory boards, where a group of experts come together to advise companies on specific issues around the research, development, and use of medicines. Health professionals may also receive support to attend medical education events, such as payment of registration fees, travel, and accommodation. Support from industry to health professionals and patients' organizations is framed in solid ethical principles. For instance, the number of samples provided to physicians are limited, and gifts to physicians or patients' representatives are prohibited. Sharing knowledge lies at the core of the relationship between the industry and the clinical community. The medical profession offers the industry invaluable insights into areas of unmet medical needs, potential therapeutic solutions, and the everyday application of treatments in the clinic. This helps industry shape how it develops and delivers new treatments to improve patient outcomes. In turn, the industry provides health professionals the chance to shape the therapeutic landscape through clinical research programs, and with peer-to-peer learning opportunities, the chance to learn about the latest developments in patient care, which they can then translate into their own clinical practice. Most importantly, patients benefit from the development and use of new medicines, whether they improve quality of life or even cure. The research, development, approval, and availability of the majority of these medicines can be directly linked to effective and collaborative working between the industry, research, patients, and the medical community. It is entirely appropriate that health professionals are fairly compensated for the expertise and services they provide to the pharmaceutical industry. How much health professionals are paid depends on the type of activity, level of expertise, and the amount of time involved. Support to attend medical education events is well regulated in industry codes of practice that ensure that travel expenses are reasonable, accommodation is appropriate, and the provision of meals and drinks is restricted by national thresholds. Since 2012, the pharmaceutical industry in Europe publishes the financial support it offers to patients' associations. And since 2016, payments to individual health professionals and healthcare organizations are also disclosed. Bringing greater transparency is about safeguarding this vital relationship for the future, ensuring that patients in Europe continue to benefit from the industry and health community working together.